Well, look at this. One of the last flapjack flipping videos on the reaction channel for the year. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen. I'm recording this from the home base today. Got a few things to speak about. What stocks am I planning on selling next year? Thinking about selling in 2026. We'll start there. Also, I asked you guys on X what stock you think will moon in 2026. I'll share my picks. And then Tom Lee, everybody's favorite bull. He was on CNBC in the last 24 hours, and I've got some thoughts. One thing only before we get rolling. Hit that little thumbs up button. Let's try to get 10% of you to smash it. This is one of the last videos of 2025. I'm taking Christmas Eve and Christmas Day off. Merry Christmas to those celebrating. Alrighty, what am I selling? TSLZ, that hedge is gone in 2026. Hedges are short-term protection. I'm not carrying that into 2027. CRM, if it hits $375 or $400, I might cash out if I see a better deal elsewhere. Honest company. Watch this one. Carla has streamlined the business. If a big player like PG or Kimberly-Clark puts in a bid, I'm cashing my shares and moving on. Google, surprising, right? If it hits $375 to $400, I might exit. I love Meta long-term, but Google, I'm wary of the Waymo hype. $600 billion market cap for robo-taxis. The maintenance and insurance costs are going to eat those profits alive in the short term. On X, you guys said Palantir, SoFi, HIMS. My pick, Celsius. It's down 50% from all-time highs, but they only have 20% of the US market, and they've barely touched international expansion. 2026 is going to be the year the margins explode. Tom Lee is looking for double-digit gains again. My number, 6%. I'm expecting a single-digit year. If we get a down year, even better. If you're under 70, you should want the market to be down so you can buy. They're talking about the VIX and Trump tariffs. I agree on the volatility. Every strategist on Wall Street is bullish right now. That's scary. When everyone is on one side of the boat, that's when it tips. Final thought on Nvidia, it's lagging because of 2027. If big tech flatlines their capex, Nvidia's growth is done, and AMD finally has a competing chip hitting production in mid-2026. If the new capex dollars go to AMD, Nvidia's margins, which are sky high right now, are going to get crushed. Anyway, appreciate you joining me in the apartment today. Private group is closed, but check the pinned comment to get in line for 2026. Patreon is open for my weekly buys and sells. Much love and have a great one.